This is Century 21 Downtown, and we will be taking our weekly Wednesday workshop this morning. And specifically, we will be taking a look at Facebook, so getting our agents up and running and ready to tackle Facebook and to go over a few things. So I just wanted to quickly give you a quick walkthrough. This is our training. This is part of our training facility in our conference room, the Century 21 Downtown, located at 1010 Light Street. As you can see, it is August Social Media Awareness Month, and we're going to be asking the typical question of our agents: are you checked in, and who do you know on Facebook? So if there's anyone who has an interest in real estate or fulfilling the real estate needs, you can give our office a call. And again, we're located on 1010 Light Street in Baltimore. Our number is 410-547-1116. And we will be logging in shortly. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I'm here live at Century 21 Downtown. And as you can see, I am on Facebook Live through our Century 21 Downtown location at 1010 Light Street. Today we're going to be touching bases on using video marketing. As you can see, I'm on Facebook Live, and this is one of the many videos or types of video marketing that we like to utilize. So I'm just going to take you on a grand tour of what we're going to be getting into today. And this is our conference room. Of course, here's a branch. And this is like just giving a storyline of everything we're touching bases on. Are you checked in on Facebook? As well as, we talked about Instagram last week. So it was what story will you be telling in your art gallery, and what will be your hashtag of the day. So we just, touching bases on video marketing. And that will, of course, include YouTube, today. So just going to quickly take a tour of who we have representing today. So we have our agent Gloria, and we have our agent Derek Lowry. And we have Jeanette Campbell, and we have our office manager Bob Hirsch.
Good morning.
And as you can also see, we do have, our computer up, or rather, Tom Ferry up, and getting ready to get some marketing in, as well as touch bases on what we can do to help market to our clients. Facebook Live, Instagram Live, as well as YouTube is one of the key ideas and concepts that we like to discuss about. If you do meet any real estate needs met or satisfied, you can give our office a call at 410-547-1116 to meet one of these wonderful agents, as well as many others. And thank you so much for our time, and have a wonderful day.